how to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix verification code not received on WhatsApp, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you're not receiving verification code on WhatsApp, do not try to do it from the same app over and over again. Just try to uninstall the application first. Once you uninstall it, just try to go ahead and reinstall it and then see if that solves your problem. If you're on iPhone, next thing you can do is go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, look for WhatsApp application from the list, tap on the offload app button here, offload the app and then reinstall the app as well. Once you've done that, sometimes it could also be due to your cellular tower, so make sure you're in a place where the cellular tower is working just properly. Cellular tower strength is right next to your Wi-Fi icon, so just make sure that you have enough cellular tower. Then make sure that you're also receiving messages, because sometimes you could also not be receiving messages on your phone. Try to text yourself from your friend's messages or family's phone, then just try to see if you receive a message or not. Last but not the least, I want you to open up your app store, and in the search box I want you to go ahead and simply type in WhatsApp here. Once you type in WhatsApp, check if the WhatsApp app has an update, and if it does, then definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped solve your problem, and if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.